Hi boys and girls, are you ready for some sound fun? We're going to be isolating our final sounds. We're going to be listening for the last sound we hear in words. So if they have the same last sound, we'll give a thumbs up. If they don't have the same last sound, thumbs down. I'm going to say two words, then I'll give you the signal. Then you say the two words, and then give me a thumbs up if they end with the same sound. Thumbs down if they don't end with the same sound. You ready? Okay, let's begin. Age, huge. Age, huge. Good, they both end with the j sound. Listen. Find bread. Find bread. They both end with d. Listen. Card, loud. Card, loud. D. Good. Listen. Ham, sand. Ham, sand. No, ham ends with the m sound, and sand ends with the d sound. Listen. Love, give. Love, give. Great job, boys and girls. Kiss your brain. You're a sound superstar. You